Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Smart Bidet Toilet, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from. Smart Bidet toilets, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Smart Bidet toilets from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Woodbridge Smart Bidet Toilet 1.28 GPF, Dual Flush Auto Open and Close, Auto Flush Foot Sensor, ADA Chair Height. Introducing the Woodbridge Smart Bidet Toilet, the ultimate in luxury and convenience for your bathroom. This advanced toilet features smart sensing technology that automatically opens and closes the lid when you approach, offering a hands-free, hygienic experience. The ADA chair height design, 17 to 3 by 8 inch, ensures comfort, especially for those with mobility challenges. Enjoy an automatic flush function that detects when you leave the seat, making your bathroom routine even more efficient. With a dual flush system, 1.6 GPF by 1.1 GPF, this toilet offers powerful and eco-friendly performance, capable of flushing up to 1,000 grams. The back-and-forth drying movement, adjustable airspeed, and both front and rear wash functions make this bidet an all-in-one solution for cleanliness. Additional features include a foam shield to prevent odors, auto-deodorization, and a foot sensor for opening and closing the seat and lid. Upgrade your bathroom with the Woodbridge Smart Bidet Toilet, certified for excellence and designed to provide comfort, cleanliness, and convenience. Number 2. EPLO Smart Bidet Toilet with Auto Open Close, 1,000 gram MAP Flush Score, ADA Comfort Height, Auto Flush Heated Seat. The EPLO Smart Bidet Toilet brings next-level comfort and hygiene to your bathroom. With an industry-leading MAP Flush Score of 1,000 grams, this high-performance toilet ensures powerful flushing and water conservation, eliminating clogs for good. The innovative foam shield feature prevents splashing and waste buildup, offering a cleaner, more hygienic experience. Designed with ADA-compliant comfort height 17.41 inches, it's perfect for those with mobility issues, providing ease and accessibility. The automatic lid and flush features, activated by a foot sensor, enhance convenience and cleanliness, creating a truly hands-free experience. The bidet functionality includes front, rear, and oscillating washes with adjustable settings for water temperature, pressure, and spray position. With a dual flush system 1.6 GPF by 1.1 GPF and energy-saving ECO mode, this toilet is both efficient and eco-friendly. Enjoy added luxury with a heated seat, nightlight, deodorization, warm air dryer, and dual LED display. Upgrade your bathroom to a luxurious, hygienic, and smart experience with the EPLO 8 Max. Number 3. Loniko Tankless Smart Toilet with Bidet Built-in. Heated seat, warm water, and dry bidet toilet with foot sensor and nightlight. The Loniko Tankless Smart Toilet offers a luxurious and hygienic bathroom experience with its built-in bidet, heated seat, and warm water functionality. This high-tech toilet features adjustable seat, water, and drying temperatures for personalized comfort. With radar sensors, the lid automatically opens when you approach and closes when you leave, while the foot sensor ensures hands-free operation for better hygiene. The siphonic flush system uses only 1.28 gallons per flush, providing powerful and quiet cleaning. The built-in bidet offers thorough washing with posterior, feminine, and moving massage options, and the warm air dryer eliminates the need for toilet paper. Equipped with a self-cleaning nozzle, the loniko toilet ensures continuous hygiene. It also features a 256-color LED strip and integrated nightlight for added convenience in the dark. With simple controls via a wireless remote, a backup battery for power outages, and an aromatherapy system for a fresh environment, this smart toilet enhances both luxury and functionality in your bathroom. Number 4. HOROW Artistic Smart Toilet with Powerful Flush Auto Open or Closed Lid Bidet with Instant Warm Water Elongated Heated Seat. The HOROW Artistic Smart Toilet offers a luxurious and high-tech bathroom experience with a range of innovative features. This tankless toilet comes with a powerful flush system utilizing only 1.28 gallons per flush, while providing a quiet yet efficient clean. The lid automatically opens and closes with radar sensors, and a foot sensor ensures hands-free operation for better hygiene. With adjustable temperatures for the seat, water, and drying functions, you can customize your comfort while the integrated bidet offers posterior, feminine, and moving massage washes. The built-in warm air dryer eliminates the need for toilet paper. The toilet also includes a 256-color LED strip and a nightlight for added convenience. For added luxury, the car-grade aromatherapy system helps create a fresh and pleasant atmosphere. Easy to install with detailed instructions and video tutorials, the HOROW Smart Toilet provides a fully automatic experience with simple controls and is perfect for elevating your bathroom's comfort and hygiene. Number 5. CANEST Smart Bidet Toilet Bidet Built-in Pump-Assisted Flush Foot Sensor Operation Warm Water Heated Seat. The CANEST Smart Bidet Toilet is designed for ultimate comfort and convenience with its advanced features. Equipped with a built-in pump-assisted flush, this smart toilet ensures powerful flushing even with low or unstable water pressure. Enjoy customizable comfort with a warm seat, instant warm water, and a warm air dryer. The seat temperature, water temperature, and wind speed are easily adjustable, providing a cozy experience tailored to your preferences. The self-cleaning stainless steel nozzles offer hygienic rear, feminine, and massage cleaning options, and you can adjust the water pressure and temperature for a personalized cleanse. With a foot sensor, remote control, and off-seat auto flush, this toilet promotes hands-free operation for improved hygiene. The included LED nightlight makes nighttime bathroom trips easier. Plus, the siphonic jet flushing system ensures efficient water usage, saving you money and resources. Certified by UL and CUPC, CANEST guarantees high quality and offers responsive customer support for any issues. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.